Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an airport update for DCA or Washington Reagan National Airport. There's not too much news, and I'll probably talk about it more at the end. But yeah, this is DCA, 1 to 400 scale airport update. It's the first one of 2021. I'm pretty happy to, be getting back into the things. I did kind of take about 2 weeks off, probably about a month off, and I was just doing other things besides YouTube, still keeping up with my Instagram stuff, but I want to say I am back here with regular scheduled airport updates, and I mean this for real. This is the official schedule on Fridays, where we're going to have one airport update a week, and then one other video a week, so 2 videos a week, and this should be perfect, this should be everything. Live stream should be happening, so everything is back in the schedule. Lots of videos coming out, and yeah, that's really it. So, without further ado, let's get started. This American A321neo, and he's going to be heading down to Phoenix. And just a quick thing, if you did not know, there's only 25 flights a day that are allowed to leave a certain radius, and I'm pretty sure that's past Denver, because they don't want big aircraft coming in to Reagan. And so American and Alaska both really have big holds on that to have those not out of states, but those longer flights. And so yeah, this A321 is going to be heading down to Phoenix. And then this A321 is going to be heading over to Los Angeles, or LAX. And then this plane we've been seeing a lot recently at DCA is the 737 in the One World livery for American, and he's going to be heading up to Philadelphia, a very, very short hop, which would not usually be operated on the 737, but he's going to be heading up to Philadelphia for a charter flight. And then right here we have this Air Canada Express CRJ200, and he's going to be heading up to Montreal, or Infinite Flight Guys Aviation's airport. So yeah, now we're on to our A concourse now, which is actually the first and original terminal at Reagan, and that's where Southwest, Air Canada, and Frontier are at. And then, I know this is one of a lot of people's favorite Southwest liveries, and this is the Florida 1 livery, and this guy is going to be taxiing into the A gate. We have a lot of Southwest flights here today. And this one is going to be, just came in from Providence. We'll be heading to the gate, and then we'll be making a very quick turnaround to Dallas Love Field. And then this Southwest 737-700 in the Colorado 1 livery is going to be heading over to Tampa Bay, or Tampa, Florida, and so yeah, he's just going to be pushing back soon. And then to conclude the A concourse, we have the Southwest 737-800 in the Canyon Blue livery, who's going to be heading down to Orlando in a bit, and they just recently upped the capacity to the 800. Some pretty strong winds are coming in, and they are forcing this 737-800 to crab when it comes in. And this 737-800 for Southwest just came in from Chicago Midway, and will be taxiing to the gate. And this Frontier A320neo will be heading over to Denver. And then right here, we have a American 737-800 who's going to be flying down to Orlando. And then right here, we have a Alaska 737-700 who's going to be making the flight over to San Francisco. Right here, we have the United CRJ550 who's going to be heading up to Newark, Liberty. And then this 717, which I gotta say is one of my favorite Delta aircraft, is going to be pushing back and making the flight up to Detroit. And this is pretty cool. We have this A321neo for JetBlue, and usually we only get the E190s here, and hopefully the A220 when it enters service. But we got the A321neo a couple weeks back, or a couple days back, and I think it's still operating as of now. But he's going to be heading down to Punta Cana. Hopefully I pronounced that right. And then this 737-800 for Delta is right now delayed at the gate due to weather in Atlanta. But yeah, he'll be heading up to Atlanta, or across to Atlanta, whenever the weather clears up there. And then this A220's flight was canceled due to an engine problem, and they're going to be looking into that engine problem soon before he heads out to his next destination. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Not really much else to say except thank you for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Just some quick news, and that is about my airports. As you can see right here, DCA is starting to fall apart just a bit. The board material wasn't the best, you know. This is something I kind of was expecting now. And so what that means is that, as you can see, what this means is that there could be I will redo DCA, but it's just a matter of when, and I'll probably get into that in another video. Also, you know, the markings aren't 100%, you know, the best. The grass is starting to bubble right here. I'm starting to move away from grass. I don't really love the grass on airports right now. I think they sometimes clutter it up. That's why BWI doesn't have any. But anyways, thinking about doing that. That's just something that just keep an eye out, and that's really it. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and this is DCAviation out.